Here are the various steps for washing the hand. Like in step first, we should rub the palms together. Then in step second, rub the back of both the hands. Third step of washing the hand, interlace your fingers and rub the hands together. Fourth step, interlock your fingers and rub the back of the fingers of both the hand. Fifth one, rub the thumbs on the rotating manner, like you are rotating your thumb and then you are washing that particular area. And uh, rub fingertips on the palm, then like your nails you have to clean and the tips you have to clean, so just rub it on the palm. Then rub both wrist in rotating manner. Then finally you have to rub your wrist in rotating manner. And finally the steps for washing hand are completed. It is the first one, second step, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So this we have to follow for proper washing of a hand. The next step for your enhancing your skills, employability skill, that is the teamwork. In most of the cases, this base important aspect is ignored. Teamwork. Now, what happens? We can see here, single grain of rice is there, and it would be impossible for a single ant to lift it up. But now you can see here the team of arm, that ant or the army of ant is able to lift this rice. And why? Because it is a joint effort. So if you want to make any of your work smooth and you want to achieve your target, you need to learn how to work in the team. The way we will learn how to work in the team, basically teams signifies here together everyone achieve more. Whenever you are going to do any task together, you are going to achieve the target more. Like here we can see the team of football. Here we can, here one person can be captain, other can be goalkeeper. They both might be best at their role, but the other members of the team of football are also mattering equivalent to them only. Why? Because without their effort, achieving the goal is impossible. That's why each member of the team is that much important. Here example is given. One person Jay is there. He helps each and every member of the team to overcome their problem, to enhance their skills, and he also participates voluntarily in any of the activity of his community. Like here it is given cleaning drive or keeping the neighborhood clean. In the same way, here one other person is there, Ashok. He wants to score the goals, and he scores highest goal. That's why he feel proud of that. But generally when he plays, he doesn't pass his ball to other player because he feel a bit jealous when others start winning. So we can say here two kind of personality are there, but which personality is more beneficial? Obviously it is of Jay as compared to Ashok, because Jay is showing here teamwork, and teamwork helps in achieving the target in more better way as compared to achieving the target alone. Like here it is written, when he loses the game, at that time also he generally do not passes the ball. Benefits of teamwork: if someone is doing teamwork, then what the benefit they can achieve from that? Everyone has a role to play in team, so pressure to succeed is not on one individual, because everyone will be motivated कि हमें जीतना है इस play में, तो एक के ऊपर pressure नहीं आएगा. It helps you to have support system, as all the team members have to fix any mistake. कोई mistake हो जाएगी तो team के जो members हैं उसको solve करने की कोशिश करेंगे. You feel good when team achieves success and builds your confidence. जैसे ही अगर team के joint effort से we win something, we feel confident, we feel nice. The work done faster, and whenever we do the work with team, it gets faster. Now the question is how we should behave in a team, because generally in team this mentality can come that I am superior, that person is inferior, I am doing more, that person is doing less. So for that here are certain behavior terms are mentioned here which you have to follow. First of all, you just know what is your role as an individual in the team. Then think best for the team. What can we give our best to the team? Always take the responsibility for your mistakes. Always talk with your teammates openly about the things which you want from your team. If there is any issue, that should be shared and sorted out properly, and we should be respectful to all the team members. We should work hard to uh, achieve our target, and also encourage others so that they can also help in achieving the particular target. Cheer for your teammates for success. Whatsoever members are there in your team, cheer for them, help them to celebrate the success like a team. These are the exercises which you have to do on your own. Next topic is networking skill. I think from name itself it is clear. Networking skill means how many people you know who are around you, and those who are helping you to achieve your target, those who are motivating you, who are giving you company to share your sorrowness, your sadness, and who also boosting you up. So two conditions are given, like people having networking skill, people not having networking skill. So example is given of the Karthik and Lucky. Karthik is friendly in nature. Whenever he sees the people, or he just observes the kids, he smiles with a gentle smile. He shares good bonding with them, and he also offers certain gifts which should be given to the neighbors or to the people to whom they know. That he has friendly gesture, friendly conversation with the people around him. On the other hand, there is other person, Lucky. He feels shy. He generally do not talk to anyone. He does his lunch alone in the school, and he often struggles in the school to enter in any of the group activities. So that is the sign of people having no networking or the poor networking skill. And the here Kartik is showing the sign of the good people with the good networking skill. Now what happens when you are having good networking skill? It helps you in these ways. First of all, you can share your expertise and skills with each other. It is going to enhance your learning experiences. Then we can ask for the support, or we can give to the support in difficult times of each other, which will like here it is of a school project, and which will help in sorting out our problem. Inform and we inform, we can give certain information which is useful to the other person, or we can also get very useful information or the opportunities by having good networking skill. Now the question arises, how can a common person build up the networking skill? The first one is the converse. Uh, Always have a conversation with the confidence to the people who are around you, with the just show you pleasant present. You are present and the things are extremely happy. Then open up. Always talk to them with the open minded, and show that you are open up to meet to them, you are feeling happy to them, invite them to the party and engage them, or engage with the people in various events of the activities. Network smartly. What does it mean? uh, Here you have to talk with the people, you have to make a network with the people, and you can bring about the certain interesting topics for the communication, like common hobbies or the recent vacation, which can find a bit pleasant to the people who are with you. Engage. Here you have to be engaged with the person for or the people with whom you are interacting with the proper information, confidence, so that it should not look superficial, rather it looks, yes, you are really mean that from the core of your heart. Share information on the events and the activities that you know. For example, a fun fair in your locality. Whenever you are communicating with the people, you want them to get related to you, close to you, trust to you. So just you can share certain of your information which is related to the various events, like the event which has happened in your locality. But while having networking or the communication, we should avoid sharing deep personal informations until we have 100% trust over the other, otherwise do not share your extreme personal things. It can be misused by the other person if that person is not that much okay. Here the exercises, these exercises students are so simple, so you have to do it on your own. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वी विल बी डीलिंग दैट वुड बी द सेल्फ मोटिवेशन। आखिरकार खुद को मोटिवेट रखना क्यों ज़रूरी है।